and they will have to show what is written
I
here.
am not making video.
They will have to say that what is written here clearly. You will see what is written here in the camera. After that, they will speak. Minimum 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever they want to speak. Okay. So this is the time you can see the chits. Okay. So first students, whom am I going to call? I am going to call from the boys' side. Okay. So please give a huge round of applause for one and only my favorite, Arjun Singh. Arjun's going to use mic. Okay, Arjun, please take a seat. Okay, what is written here? Come with me. What is written?
No pain, no gain.
Okay, it is written no pain, no gain. This is the topic. No pain, no gain. You can see. Okay, Arjun, adios. Come on.
So, hello everyone. As you all know that I am Arjun Singh from 8th standard, your classmate. Today I am here to give a speech on no gain and no gain. As you all know that you have listened that no pain, no gain. If you have pain, then you can't do anything else. If you don't have pain, you can do anything. Like that, if you are failing exam, you feel your pain, and you can't do next time you can't do anything. But if you didn't feel your pain, you learn your mistake where I did mistake. So you can improve yourself. You can gain that thing. And if everyone forget that his or her pain, then they can improve themselves how to do. And if anyone is beating her and tolerating him or her, then they can improve. They can build themselves for fighting and in front of everyone, and they can do another thing in front of her and him. And in pain you can't feel that what I am doing, what he is doing. In pain, no one can judge him or her, himself or herself what they are doing, they can't feel that what is happening surrounding to his society. And if they are in pain, they didn't listen anything. If they are not in pain, they can listen all the things, they can feel all the things, and they can improve themselves according to their society. So this was the speech of my thank you.
Nice speech by the Arjun. But Arjun, I want to tell you one thing. Focus camera, Arjun. Focus, Arjun. Actually, Arjun, you did not understand the topic.
Yes, I see.
Please hold. No gain, it means you want to gain something now. There will be some pain. Like want to get success, you can't sleep. It means there will be pain. Suppose that you want to complete a race of 10 km now, so you will have to run 10 km. It means you will get some pain. After then you will win, then you will gain something. So that is but maybe it's possible. Sometime it happens. Like when you get the something, it got bent, you go on a wrong way. But no problem. Again clap for the Arjun. He spoke in a wowing manner. That was nice. Arjun. Next one, I'm gonna call from the girl side. Okay. The girl side again, one of my favorite. It's Aditi Singh. Please come. Aditi Singh, clap for Aditi Singh. Okay. Aditi Singh, here your seat. Okay. Huh? Okay, the topic is that Facebook. You know social media site Facebook? Facebook is good or bad? See the topic, Facebook is good or bad? Okay, Aditi, alios.
Good morning, all of you. I'm Aditi Singh here to speak about Facebook is good or bad for us. Let you all know that Facebook is a type of social media where you can get the good videos and bad videos. If you are using Facebook for the good purpose, then you definitely got good things. If you are using Facebook for the bad purpose, you are definitely going in a wrong way. So I think everyone has to use Facebook for seeing what is happening in our country or state or other countries. And Facebook gives us the knowledge about what is happening our surrounding. And the most important thing, if you the most important thing, Facebook give us a new things what we don't know. If you are knowing anything, then you definitely send in a Facebook. Then everybody can know. Sharing knowledge is good thing. If Facebook is bad for us also, because in Facebook some already are not good, but somebody are good, somebody are bad also. So bad people are sending bad videos and comments in Facebook. So we can also block the comment section. We have to use Facebook for the good purpose only. That's all. Thank you.
Nice. What a well done, Aditi. What a nice work you did. Again, clap for the Aditi. Nice. Okay. Again, it's a time to the boys side. Okay, it's a time to call out captain. Captain, please come. Okay. Captain. Okay, this is your change. Please take it. So, with the topic. Oh my God! Again a phrase. It's a phrase. It's a phrase. Time and tide, wait for none. Did you understand the topic? Huh? You want to skip or should I make you understand what is the meaning? Okay, come here. Time and tide, wait for none. It means time is not going to wait anyone. Okay? It means time is the precious. Time management should be good. Okay? So it's all about time.
So hello, my name is Prabhu Dubey. So today I am here to give a speech on time. The importance of time. As we all know that time never stops in our life. If you have time, so focus on your study. There are many persons in our society who are using to do bad things, but we are the student. We have to do good things. If we are studying in the school, we have to focus. We have to maintain the discipline and study. And if you are coming the school, if you are hardworking, our parent give the fee to the school. Then you have the tendency, you have capability to doing good things. As my topic is time never stop, it is a good. If you can see, there are many poor person, bad person, and good person in our society. The good person, what is the goodness of good person which live in our society? They utilize their time in good things. Because of that, they gain good thing in their life. And the person who are living in society doing bad things, like they are going in Dihari, doing Dihari and many other things. They are going in a brick shop. They are doing many of the things. They are not there utilize their time in a good method. And if you utilize your power, utilize your time in the school and in other in which field you are living, you are separating your power, then you have to give the 100% of your time, because time never stop. If you haven't manner how to utilize the time, and time tell us many things. If you have time, you are coming to school. From school, our teachers tell us good things, tell us bad things. Many of the students in future become ISPCS, because that time we will not see the future, but we can see the present time and past time. If you are living in the school, you are focusing on the board, which topic our teachers tells, then definitely you will achieve a goal. Thank you. That's all. Have a nice day.
That's why is the captain of this class. What a platform. Okay, again it's a time to call. Captain versus captain. If the boys team captain came here, he performed good. So this is the time to call the girls captain, Ansika. Clap for Ansika. Okay, Ansika, take your topic, take your seat. Okay, read it.
Brain and brain.
Brain drain. Brain drain. Did you understand the topic?
No, I understand the meaning of brain, but not brain.
Brain drain. It means talent transfer.
What else?
If you're not getting, so you can change. One paragraph you can skip.
The talent transfer, okay.
Talent transfer, it means now many people, they are working in India, sorry, they are studying in India, but after getting success now, they are working for other country. Like many scientists, many doctors, after completing their training now, they are shifted to the America, they are working for the Japan, so that is called brain drain. Okay, this is the problem of all the developing country. Are you ready
Yes, sir.
to speak that away?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ansika Alex.
So hello everyone, myself Ansika Pandey and I am from class 8th standard. So you know my topic is brain and train. Brain and train means transfer your talent to others. Means students are studying. Means students are doing study when they went home and their siblings ask any question, then the younger sibling will tell the answer because he know how to solve the answer because he is studying the higher classes compared than their siblings are in lower classes. You can see your teachers. Teachers have a lot of knowledge. They transfer their knowledge to students. They teach students how to live in a manner and how to learn more critical thinking skills. And if we talk about our managers, if we talk about a manager means only management of the school. But if we talk about our school manager, sir is a very talented. He always want to give a critical thinking skills and develop skills to all students. He always get in all classes and ask the question from him and her. If they are unable to tell the answer, then the manager will also give a seminar on the Saturdays about anything because he want to develop our critical thinking skills. And if we talk about scientists also have a lot of talent. They are always searching out many things. If we research anything, then they make a book about related to, you can see the Robert Koch and Louis Pasteur are the scientists. They wrote a book about which they discovered, and now students reading the book and they are achieving a lot of knowledge about the topic. Penicillin ho ya, streptomyces, etc. And there are engineers, teachers which give knowledge about the engineering. Means they are boosting our mind. Meditation also boosting our mind. If you bend any sand, then the sand will say do meditation, your mind power will be increases. And there are many persons who have a lot of talent. They only want to transfer their talent to each other. That is a good thing. I also have some talent, not more. So whatever I have, I always want to give to another student, but not a wrong thing, only good thing. Wrong thing, some people have wrong talent. They only want to spread the wrong talent. You can see the Don thief. Thief only will teach you doing thief. If you are doing thief work, then you will get money. But this is not a good way. The good way achieving money only study and focus on your goal. Then the teacher only will tell you do hard work, you will get success. But the wrong person will not tell you do hard work, you will get success. The wrong person will say do this work, you will get success. But it is not a good direction, you will achieve your success. So always focus good talents. You have to clear wrong talents. Wrong talents means teaching anyone or hurting anyone. This is not a good thing. God will not happy with that. But if you are kind-hearted and lovely, then God will help you and always progress your brain train. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, the thing is that now, Ansika, you spoke very well, but sorry, you went all the right.
What?
I told that you could skip, but no problem. Okay, so now this is the time to call another wonderful speaker of this class. Okay, give a huge round of applause for one and only Mr. Shivam. My finest speaker of this school. Okay, mother. This topic is mother. Okay, talk about mother. Don't talk about only your mother. It means mothers. You can talk Hindi. Okay.
Okay. So good morning everyone. My name is Shiv Pandey. I am from 8th standard. So today my topic is mother. So before starting this concept, I want to tell. So this is saying that the God cannot be reached everywhere. That's why He made mother. Mother is just more than God, because mother is only things that teaches. She's our first teacher, and she makes us understand. She learn us. She makes us understand what is the languages. She teaches the languages. She teaches the words and. Okay, my mother. This is okay, mother. As well as mother give us the rights from the birth to our success. Mother plays a huge role. When we are child, mother is only thing that teaches how to walk, how to speak, and even she is in the habit of getting us to learn many things. She get us eat some of the things, many things, and it's not about only one mother. It's about all the mothers, all the. For example, as I said, the God cannot be made. The God cannot reach everywhere. That's why He made mother. So that's all about it. That's all.
Okay, next one. Okay, nice talking with Shivam. Okay, so now let me introduce one of the finest speaker of this school again. None other than, give a huge round of applause for Anya Pandey. Okay. Ananya Pandey, if you can see this, she is your competitor. Be ready.
Oh, so my topic is of my school.
Ready?
Okay.
Show me. My school again. Again, you can see. Okay. All good.
So first of all, I want to say thank you to Akash that he gave me the opportunity to speak in front of you. So you know that what's my topic. My topic is my school. My school, I have changed many schools, but this one is my last, will be my last. And this school teaches me things that the patience level. I have in the class 6 that I was not that much good in study, but with our teachers, our managers, the friends are supporting me that you have to do it. They are supporting me that it's okay what happened in the past and what happened, are you good or not in the study, but you have to do hard work. If you do hard work, that time you will be in the first position. I have seen that my managers who are supporting to all the students, not only me, he is supporting to all students to be in the competitive battle. They are saying that now you have to be competitive with the others. If I don't know what is this, he said to me that you have to know it. And he provides us that with good educations and the perfect teachers. I have gotten the spoken teacher who is Akash sir, who want that everyone should know everything. Only not a few students. He wants that everyone will be a good, and he is doing hard work for that. And my favorite teacher is the Hardon sir, who every time supports me that if someone is saying to me anything, he said, just believe on yourself. If you are not wrong, that you are wrong. So our bond is a very protective and very strong. That he always teach me that how many that he know, he always teach me. And I'm talk about my friends, that my friends is very good thing I have gotten just like I have gotten a special thing in my life, that if I don't know something, they told me. If I'm not asking, they told me and they explain me if I don't know. So that is in school we are coming for the studies, and for studies the role of our teachers and the friends is a watch. And in the school you should be in the discipline. And the second thing that firstly you have to accept if you are doing something. Be a good person, good speaker, you have to accept your problems. If you are facing something, you have to accept it, you have to fight for that. And this thing is really told by our school's members. Just like Arif sir told that if you are not wrong, And if you are failing, so you have to try again. You don't have to give up that. You have to try again and again. Then you will got the success. And he said to me, if you got this success, if you got this first rank, I will provide you the whole thing that you want. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, nice job. Again, clap for the level. Okay, next Biraj. You should clap for the Biraj. Who is going to Biraj? His name is Biraj. Take your topic. Topic is the black money. Black money. Okay? Ready? You know the black money? Huh? You know na? Please continue.
So hello everybody, this is Viraj Sharma and today I am present here to present a speech on the black money. What is black money? In our nation, any bad person, if any person is bad for us, then there is our leaders. Our leaders, what they are doing, our leaders, and there are many persons in the society, what they are doing, they are gathering their black money. They are not also do hard work. They are not doing hard work in their life. They are only doing bad things by which they are getting the black money. So black money is so mostly black money is gathered by our leaders. Our leaders are gathering black money, and there are many people in this country who are gathering black money, and so that's all.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, Viraj. Okay, nice, Viraj. Don't actually think is that. No, it's a tough to speak. Getting the random topic and you are like you don't have time for the thinking. So it's not easy. You are in 8th class. The way you are performing, that is awesome. Please clap for yourself only. Really, I have been working in this field for the 10 years now. I have never seen that kind of performance by a class 8th student. This is the first time I am seeing. What is the label class 10th in speaking? It's a wow, good label. No? You don't worry. But whatever I am speaking, that is marvelous. Okay, so next I am going to call one of the good students of this school, Sanskriti Singh. Please give me a round of applause. Okay, Sanskriti, take. Lifestyle. Again.
So myself Sanskriti Singh from class 8th standard, and today my topic is lifestyle. If I tell lifestyle, our lifestyle is a student. Lifestyle is if you are getting lifestyle, your personality will good. Lifestyle, if you mean lifestyle, my lifestyle, I think I'm a student. My lifestyle is good, but I want another lifestyle. Everyone want another lifestyle. Lifestyle means the way you are living in your life. That's I'm a student. My lifestyle is to study and many things I have to do. And if I am not a student, that my lifestyle is different. Lifestyle that I got, my lifestyle is good, and my father gave me. My father think that which lifestyle I get, it's not good. He wants that I got a good lifestyle, but I think that my lifestyle is good. He want that I will go anywhere for getting a good lifestyle. He shared one time. She asked to me, if you are not pleased with your lifestyle, you can, if you want, I will send you hostel, and if you want the hostel lifestyle, you can get your lifestyle. Everyone's lifestyle was different, and my lifestyle, if I talk about my lifestyle, I think that some things are good and some things are bad. That's all.
Okay. Nice, Sanskriti. Okay, next one. You come, what's your name?
My name is Aisha.
Huh?
My name is Aisha.
Aisha, clap for Aisha. Next, Aisha. Okay, Aisha, now please. What is it written? Very interesting topic. How can English change your life? Really, I am telling. English changed my life. How can English change your life? Okay? Please.
So good morning to all of you. I'm Aisha from A student. I'm present here to speak to learn about how English change your life. How can English change your life? So according to me, if we are trying to speak English, then the English change our life, and I want to tell you how it can change our life. So if we want to go anywhere and we don't know how to speak English, then already make a joke on me. So according to me, if we want to go anywhere and we know how to speak English, then in the front of them we can speak English. So it like that it changed our life. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So this period I have only 35 minutes, so I will complete that whole task in 3 days. So time will not allow. But this is the last performance of that day today. Give a huge round of applause for Arsi. Arsi? Please clap for Arsi. India, my country. Hello, don't talk. India, my country. Yes, sir. No, what country? Okay, please.
Good morning everyone, my name is Bashir from class 8th standard. So my topic is India, my country. India is my country. You all about India. You all about India. India is very beautiful country, and India have many solution. You have take solution and go everywhere. You keep anything in India. India have many good teachers. India have many good schools. India have many intelligent person. India have many things. You go anywhere and take keep anything in India, and you like become AIS and IPS, anything. In India have many good knowledge, like in Delhi have district coaching in IS and AIS IPS. Thank you.
Okay, nice. Okay, so that was the last performance for today. Again, tomorrow we'll complete all the tasks. The students will come one by one and they'll see the chicks and they'll speak. Okay? Let's stand it. You can. Thank you.